Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Idioms 381. The idiom today is to go along for the ride. Okay, let's take a look at the board here. All right, if somebody wants a screenshot now. All right, let's get right to it. If someone just goes along for the ride, they join in an activity, but not in a serious way. And one usually does not get directly involved. Often one just has some interest in a passive or entertaining way. All right, let's continue. The origin of this phrase is believed to derive from the early days of the automobile industry. At this time, very few people had cars and may have wanted to join others just for the experience of being in a car and experience riding. So maybe they weren't really interested in going to that place. They just wanted to go along for the ride to see what it's like to be in a car. And this is kind of how the phrase may have came about or may have started. At least that's what a lot of people think. Let's continue. The phrase was common enough that it appeared in the Dictionary of American Slang, compiled by Harold Wentworth and Stuart Berg Flexner. He defined it as to join passively just for the fun of it. Okay, good. And we have 3 examples of just the way we might hear it used. I signed up for a ride-along to see what it would be like to be a policeman on a patrol. Yeah, I've seen this in some TV shows and a movie where I guess in the U.S. you could sign up and go with 2 policemen on their regular patrol. You just sit in the back and you watch and you see what they do for, a shift, just for the experience of what it would be like. You're not supposed to participate. If they got to work on, if they get a call or something, they may drop you off or something. Or if it gets too dangerous. But if not, you just go around on their patrol and they'll talk to you, they'll show you what they do, or if they stop people or something. But if it gets serious, maybe they'll either take you home or, just tell you to sit there and, they'll take care of the problem. So let's continue here. So here he says, I just wanted to go along for the ride to see what it was like. So he wanted to go along with his ride along. Number 2, we're going to pick out a Christmas tree. If you don't have anything better to do, you can go along for the ride if you like. Yes. So, hey, well, we're doing that. If you're bored, when you want to come with us, the more the merrier. It might be fun. You want to just come along for the ride? Just join us. Okay. And the 3rd one here, you guys are going to the park? Do you mind if I go along for the ride? I could use some fresh air. So maybe this is a friend or a neighbor or something. They're asking if they could go along. All right. Anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.